Hey, if your Ford F150 steering feels loose, makes weird noises, or just isn't as smooth as it used to be, don't worry, I've got your back. Today, I'm breaking down how to fix common steering problems, step by step, so you can get back on the road with confidence. First, let's talk about the most common signs. Are you hearing clunks when you turn the wheel? Is your truck pulling to one side? Or maybe there's just too much play in the steering. These are classic symptoms, and you're not alone. Start by popping the hood and checking your power steering fluid. Low fluid is a super common issue. Top it off if it's low. But if it keeps dropping, you might have a leak. Check under the truck for wet spots or drips, especially around the steering rack and hoses. Next, inspect your tie rods and ball joints. With the truck parked, grab the front wheel and give it a shake side to side. If you feel any looseness, those parts might be worn out and need replacing. Don't ignore this. Worn tie rods can seriously affect your steering control. Also, listen for squeaks or grinding when you turn the wheel. That could mean your steering rack is on its way out. If you spot a leak, or if your steering feels heavy, it might be time for a new rack or a trip to the mechanic. Finally, check your alignment. If your steering wheel isn't centered or the truck pulls, an alignment can make a world of difference. Most shops can handle this quick and easy. So start with the basics: fluid, joints, and alignment. With a little patience and some simple tools, you can solve most F150 steering issues yourself. Stay safe, take it step by step, and keep your truck steering straight.